So when I saw this car from the back end, I thought it was an Auburn boattail. It is not. It's a doozy, a Duesenberg. And what an amazing car. Check that engine out. Oh, there it is, Auburn. I don't know enough about these. I'm sure I'll get all kinds of corrections in the comments, which I'll appreciate. So I guess Auburn and Duesenberg were affiliated with one another. I believe you could put your golf clubs in there. I think there's a picture of Clark Gable. He had a Duesenberg. So now you'll know why I thought it was an Auburn, because of the boat tail back end. Okay, so Auburn Cord Duesenberg. I should have known that. The museum is in Indiana. I live in St. Louis. I've never gone. That's one of my bucket list items, to go to the museum. I should have remembered that. The Cord, C-O-R-D, is an amazing car. And the Cord had a transmission that shifted on, there was a yoke, like like where a wiper motor or intermittent wipers are nowadays. And that's how you shifted. And you would actually, I think you would use the clutch for first gear, and then from then on, you could just shift the gear, go to second, third without putting in the clutch, if I remember correctly. Well, that grill is amazing. So, rather amazing example of a 1930s automobile. And that engine is absolutely incredible. All right. Another amazing automobile. Check out those Auburn taillights.